4 income sources at age 18. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about how I grew and how much I make from my 4 income sources at age 18. I'm not actually 18 years old right now, but by the time this video comes out, I will be 18. Let's go 1 year closer to death.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say.
So the 4 income sources I'm going to be talking about in this video are Fiverr, Instagram ads, Instagram commissions, and product sales. So the first source of income is Fiverr. Last month I made a video in which I made a Fiverr gig for editing anime YouTube videos, and that gig was pretty successful. I did manage to get 2 sales in that video only, and that was like at the first 2-3 days of making the gig. In the first proper month of me editing anime YouTube videos, I made almost $500. By the end of this month I should make $500 on Fiverr. Not bad considering this is my first proper month on Fiverr. In fact, many big names in the anime YouTube category have messaged me to edit videos for them. So what you need to do in Fiverr is you need to find a niche gig, and the most important thing of your gig is a video. A video that shows your skill on Fiverr is the most important thing according to me. I made many gigs, but only one of them had a good video, and that was the only gig that did well. My gig was a video I edited for another big YouTuber called Anime Balls Deep. Yup, that's actually a YouTuber. I used that video to show my skill and to show who I've edited for, and I think that's the reason why my gig went viral and I'm getting so many orders. In fact, I'm getting so many orders that I have to delay some orders and even cancel some orders. I've also been giving work to other people because I can't keep up with all the orders. Next month I think I'm going to increase my prices, and that might even double my earnings, because last month my earnings were like $20. This month it's almost $500, so I'm expecting it to be $1,000 next month. $500 may not sound like a lot, but it's a beginning, and I think I might earn much more money from Fiverr in the future. I'm also planning on making other gigs, editing videos for the finance niche, editing videos for the gaming niche. The second way I earn money is Instagram ads. The people who watch me, they know. Instagram guru, advertising expert, retention master, money cash flow yo. That's Beheza, not me. I just have a few pages on Instagram which have grown to hundreds of thousands of followers, and people message me wanting to advertise their posts on my page. I'm not going to talk about it much in this video because I made many videos on it. You can go and check them out. So basically I grow Instagram pages by posting consistently every single day and following people, and now I advertise things on those pages. For example, I have lots of pages in the art niche. People send me messages saying they want to advertise their art on my page, or people want to advertise a particular NFT on my page, and I put it on my page for a fixed price. Due to changes in Instagram like drop in engagement rate and removing of showing likes, the amount of ads I got did drop a little bit, but as NFTs are popping off right now, my prices did increase, and I'm making roughly the same amount I was making last month. So the amount I make advertising every single month is around $1,000 across all my pages. I have many pages, so don't expect to just grow one theme page and make lots of money. You have to grow many theme pages, and you can get like few ads a week, then only you can reach this number. But my pages themselves are pretty valuable. If I sell all my pages, I could get thousands of dollars for them. So the third way I earn money, and a very profitable way, is commissions, art commissions. Making custom art for people are known as commissions. As I have lots of followers, I can charge lots of money. I charge around $300 for each commission. I don't have time to make the commissions myself, so I find a small artist on Instagram who takes around $100. I give them $100 and keep the $200 profit. I do around 5 to 6 of these every single month, so that's around $1,200 every month. But I'm basically acting like a store or a shopkeeper who buy things at low prices and sell them later for higher prices. I hire small artists for $100 and sell it on my page for $300. People might think it's a bit scammy, but it's just business. You got to do what you got to do to get the bread. And the fourth way I earn money is crypto pump and dump scam. And the fourth way I earn money is product sales on Instagram. That's right, your boy has been trying drop shipping for some time now. I've made many videos on drop shipping and failed miserably. You must be wondering, then how am I earning money selling products? I'm actually not earning that much money. I just advertise a few products on my pages, on some of my pages from time to time. I haven't been paying for ads because then I'll just be losing money. I'm not sure how the ads work. I've been trying to learn about ads. I might start drop shipping sometime in the future, but right now I sell a few products a week, around $30-40 in profit every week. I'm making around $200 a month selling products. So my total income for a month is $500 plus $1,200 for commissions, $1,000 for ads, and around $200 for product sales. All in all, this is around $2,700 per month. I don't know much about taxes. I haven't paid taxes myself, because last year my income was less than 10,000, and now I'm in a different country, so I don't know how taxes work yet. But my yearly income should be around $30,000 at age 18, and over that 30,000, my college fees is around $50,000 every single year. So basically I'm earning minus $20,000 every year. yep, college is a scam, but I'm not earning enough money where I can just stop going to college. So I got to do what I got to do. In the end, you just got to get that bread. Maybe next year I'll be able to earn enough money where I don't need to go to college. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you inspired. I hope you also want to get that internet bread. I'll try to upload videos every single week, but I've not been getting enough time. Doing Fiverr, managing commissions, selling ads, even managing college, it's pretty difficult. So I might not be able to post every single week. I might post every thrice a month. So if you like the video, remember to drop a like and subscribe for more banger content like this. And I'll see you in the next one.